Hello. You are running.
Yes, I'm exercising.
Oh, you must be like sport very much.
Yes, I love sports.
Yeah, could you introduce yourself, please?
Of course, my name is Tsogyal. I am an English teacher in Chengdu.
Wow. How long have you been living in Chengdu?
I have been living in Chengdu for 19 years.
Wow, that's a long time.
I know, I see Chengdu as my second home.
So, do you know the World University Games?
Of course, I know, and I cannot wait to watch some of the games.
Yeah. What is your favorite sport game?
Actually, I have so many favorite sports games, but this time I will watch swimming game.
Wow, that's cool.
I know.
How can Chengdu benefit from the World University Games?
Well, I think there will be many benefits that we can gain from this World University Games. First, Chengdu will become a well-known place that will attract a lot of international friends to visit our giant panda and taste our amazing food and experience the unique culture.
Yes. Would you like invite our international friends to Chengdu?
Of course, I wanted to invite all the international friends to Chengdu, and I'm sure they will love Chengdu. And I want to welcome them to Chengdu.
Okay. Welcome
Come to Chengdu.